How do I stop needing everyone's approval? Most of us, in the process of growing up, somehow learn this behavior that we need to keep everyone around us happy so that we can feel safe. And this belief has gotten quite stronger over time, and now we have this strong need to seek approval from everyone around us so that we can feel safe. But to help ourselves break this pattern, what we must recognize is that this is a goal that we will succeed for sure. Even if we look at the lives of the most saintly or the most selfless humans that have lived on this planet and has done the most wonderful things for our society, even if we look at their lives, we would see that they also have had to face a lot of criticism in their life. So imagine, even the most selfless people had to face a lot of criticism and hatred from those around them. So if even they had to face that, so it's only natural that each of us will have to face that in our life. So it's very futile for us to even try to please everyone around us or seek approval from everyone around us. No matter how hard we try, know that it's a very futile goal because we won't be able to convince our perspective towards every other person around us. They will only view us from their perspective of things, their perspective towards life, and their perspective towards people. And they will evaluate our choices and all of our actions only from their lens. And know that you're the only person who will be living with yourself from your very first breath to your very last. So only you would be able to understand everything that you have gone through in your life and have compassion for yourself. So no matter how hard you try, know that you won't be able to please everyone around you. Know that it's futile, it's a wasteful use of your energy, and allow this recognition to give you the strength to stop doing that. Instead, start seeking more approval from your own self because there is a higher power or a wisdom that is there within each of us that will guide us to make the right choices at the right time in our own life. It doesn't matter what our past choices were, they might have been right for us in that particular stage in our life. Allow ourselves to move forward from those choices and our past mistakes, and then let yourself make the choices that you want to do today. So, allow this recognition to give you the strength that you need to stop seeking acceptance and approval from the people around you and start seeking more approval from the voice within yourself. You know what is right and wrong for yourself. Allow your intuition or wisdom to speak to you and give you the guidance that you need to make the right decisions in your own life. I hope you found this reminder to be valuable, and if you did, do follow along.